Nice, just like that. Steering column reconnected. That rag joint actually looks really good, so I'm just gonna run it. It's gonna be fine. Today is Friday. Video post day is tomorrow. Also, I made an adjustment to my camera. Might be doing better. I don't see that gray line doing a thing down there. Anyway, this is Troy's Garage. Welcome to my garage. All those things. I don't have a lot of time. I have this evening and a tiny amount of time tomorrow. So I'm just going to kind of go for something that's a little bit wow factor. I'm going to get the inner fenders that are right back there. I'm going to get them set in place, get the wiring up out of the way so that it's where it's supposed to be, kind of. I'm going to have to do some rerouting on stuff to make it all work. And maybe get one of the fenders on. We're going to see how far we can go. But I've committed to posting one video a week and just showing you the progress that I make, even if it's small. So hopefully you appreciate that. If you do, please, please click that like button. It's free. It's right down there at the bottom. That helps me out a lot. Once I get the inner fenders on and in place, I can get this thing set as well, and then we can get the radiator back in. We'll be really close to running this thing. I do still need to get the fittings for the power steering line. That one that was cross-threaded is going to be a problem. Lots to do. A little bit of time. Let's go. So after a quick trip to the Troy's Garage hardware store, I have everything that I need to mount the inner fenders except for one nut. One nut short. Dang it. All right. Brand new parts. Love it. Just leave it out smooth. Get some adjustment out of it. Nice. It's a little bit starting to look like a truck again. Can't back up far enough to see much, but all right. I got them on. They're just finger tight at the moment because when I get the core support on, I'm gonna have to, you know, it's got to be adjusted upon. But it's got all the factory holes for all the right things. I do need to go find those nuts off the other one. They're out next to the house out there. I should probably do that before I get too kind of crazy up in here. I don't have a battery tray, so I'm going to have to figure something out. I don't know if I'm going to buy the factory one or if I'm just gonna, you know, this. There's not a lot left of that. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Let's get this other inner fender set in place and at least loosely fit so that it looks like we made some progress. Gotta fake it till you make it, right? All right, I made another slight adjustment on my lens. Went to wide. Now maybe I can actually show you what this looks like. Let's see if it does a little better. Oh, that's so much better. Before I felt like that thing was just right up in my nose. Get back from my nose, you know? So, alright, that looks a little bit better. Sorry, playing with the adjustments so that I can make that gray line thing go away. Hopefully this is better. It looks better on the camera. I'll find out when I'm editing, I suppose. But give me a thumbs up for adjusting some settings, making this stuff a little bit better for you guys. I'm also going with a 60 frames per second so that if I do like hurt myself real bad or something, we can go in half speed and still get the high quality 4K video. Nice. Broken bones. Slow motion. That'd be cool. Let's not do that. Don't do dumb stuff. This is the garbage pile from this truck and other stuff. I gotta dig down here and see if I can salvage some of those clips off of those things. Let's see what we can do. Yep, there they are, right there. There's one. And that is why you don't throw stuff away until you know you're done with it. I only pinched my finger once. Dang it. Got all the hardware I need. Now we can keep moving forward. Ouch. Dang it. Well, old hardware doesn't look as good on brand new parts, but it's going to be underneath the fender anyway. And the fender is all sorts of patinaed, if you remember. So, who cares? And just like that, I'm out of time for the day. So, I did get one inner fender mounted. We've got the grandkids coming over for a sleepover, so we're going to go enjoy family time, doing the right thing for the right reason. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, that's a wrap on another video. Be sure and like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate that. It helps the channel. I'm trying to just put content out as often as I possibly can. Stay tuned. The next video, we really get kind of crazy and make a bunch of progress. I've done a lot of work off camera, but anyway, you'll see great progress. And I got to get this truck out of here so I can work on Midnight Maroon. That's coming up very soon. Appreciate it, guys. Again, comment, like, share, subscribe, do all those things. Appreciate it so very much. See you guys in the next one.